the capital region, with our mild winters, it may not seem necessary to winterize your system. However, even a quick, sharp freeze can cause havoc to your irrigation system and break parts. We winterize to protect our investment and our valuable water resources. It would be a shame to allow winter conditions to damage our efficient irrigation system. Winterization prevents damage from even minor freezing and frost. Water expands when it freezes. This can cause PVC pipe to break, often along the length of the pipe. Or in the case of poly, the black pipe, it will expand slightly. However, when the ice thaws, the pipe does not go back to its original size. This weakens the pipe and can cause it to fail. First, open any manual drain valves to allow the gravity to empty the pipes. Make sure to close them when it's done. Automatic drains are not recommended because in season, the pipes drain every time the system operates, leading to a huge waste of water. It is best to use an air compressor to blow out the system. A reminder to operate within your abilities. This should be done by a professional. Turn off the water. Attach the compressor to inject air into the system near the main shutoff. With the compressor off, activate the zone at the highest and furthest from the compressor before opening the valve on the compressor. Gradually add air into the system up to 50 psi. Avoid high pressure surges and never go over 80 psi. It takes about 2 minutes to clear each zone. Run through the entire system twice with 2 short passes, as it removes water that has drained from one zone into another on the first pass. It also reduces the amount of time compressed air is moving through the dry pipes, which can cause heat damage. Compressors operate at high pressures, so make sure to take proper safety precautions. Do not stand over component parts when the system is under pressure. Do not leave the compressor unattended. If done improperly, this can cause equipment damage and be dangerous, as broken pipes can become projectiles. Remember to winterize the rest of your irrigation systems. Controllers can be left in the off position. Cover rain switch devices to prevent dust and dirt from getting in. And with the main valve off and the system cleared of water, use the lever handles on your backflow preventer to relieve any trapped water. Leave any of these handles at a 45 degree so the valve is partially opened. We winterize to protect our investment and our valuable water resource. Check out the spring startup video on how to open your system. Learn more about how to use water wisely.